Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize AI tools through FreshBooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize AI tools through FreshBooks, first, create a FreshBooks account if you haven't done so already. Visit the FreshBooks website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once your account is set up, log in to the FreshBooks dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the Clients tab to add your existing clients. Click on Add Client and fill in the necessary details. Next, go to the Invoices section to understand how to automate billing. Select the option to create a new invoice and customize it as needed. Save this invoice as a template for future use. Incorporate AI tools by integrating FreshBooks with applicable third-party services. Navigate to the Apps section in the dashboard. Browse through the available integrations to find relevant AI tools. Choose the AI tool you'd like to integrate, such as automation or analytics software. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen AI tool to your FreshBooks account. After successful integration, explore the settings of the AI tool to customize functionalities. Set up automation for recurring tasks like invoicing and follow-ups. Utilize AI analytics features to assess your business performance through data insights. Monitor your cash flow and expenses using the AI-driven reports generated by FreshBooks. Regularly check the FreshBooks blog or Help Center for new AI features and updates. Engage with the community forums to learn from other users' experiences. Continuously optimize your workflow by adjusting templates and automation settings based on feedback and performance metrics. Stay proactive in adapting new AI functionalities as they become available. By following these steps, you'll effectively optimize AI tools through FreshBooks for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.